Yo, what's up? Woo!
Everybody, but still use for protocol healthy.
Oh yeah, that's good, that's good.
Must be healthy, cleanly, and safe.
Yeah!
It's still open for everybody.
I belong to you.
I belong to you.
Do just what you want. You're the one I trust. And I always be
Whoa, look at this honey.
when you need some loving, baby.
Very nice.
Very fresh, very organic.
Organic honey. Pure honey.
Yo, what's up? Whoa! Alright, today I'm in Legian. Oh, with my driver going to Kuta. So today's vlog will be from Kuta, but I parked my bike next to Azul Beach Club, and I'm going to Hard Rock, and then from Hard Rock I will walk back to Azul. But first, enjoy the ride. Yo, all is good. Very quiet, by the way. Very quiet. Very quiet, yeah? Yeah.
Sing all my melodies.
Thank you, brother. Yeah. All right, lovely people. What's up? As you saw, I had a very nice ride by the Grab driver. Now I'm next to the rock shop in Kuta. And today's vlog, yo, what's up? And today's vlog will be from Kuta Beach, Kuta Rock, Hard Rock, going to Padma. I will walk till Azul Beach Club. Yeah, we'll see how's the stinks. It's 5 o'clock Saturday night, so Saturday evening. Grand Ina. Yeah, Grand Ina is closed. If somebody's staying, used to stay here. Here we go. Yeah, we'll see how's the conditions today.
Take me to your heart.
I belong to you.
Take me to your soul.
Sing all my melodies.
Making selfie with locals. Selfie sessions with locals. Alright, passing the Hard Rock shop. They're open, closed. I just wanted to have a picture for the, you know, thumbnail. And what's happened? I got a session of selfie with locals. Yeah, good crack. Always have to be friendly to everyone, right? But safety first, that's why I wear mask very carefully today. Jamie Oliver Kitchen, Hard Rock. And maybe I will make a thumbnail over here. Well, Hard Rock Bali Hotel is open and it seems like it's quite a lot of people. However, it's no music there, like a live famous music, which is not so good. However, seems like it's so many cars there. However, the live here, hello! I think that's the same driver who dropped. Mercure Kuta. Yeah, but Starbucks here is closed still. That's how it looks, the life in Kuta next to McDonald's now. Saturday evening. We'll see more. Well, famous McDonald's in Kuta. Doesn't look as many people over here. Heading to beach walk. It's not much is happening here actually. It's really not much is happening here, especially at Saturday night. Flapjacks closed. Much more business is trying to be open. However, they are still very empty. And anyway, as you can see, road behind me is not much is happening. Anyway. Yeah, as you can see, over here is the how to call with horse. Forgot. Not the best thing, but yeah, that's how it is still. Yeah. Okay. Busy? No? No?
No.
So, as you can see, Jalan Pop is 2 or 1, maybe 1. Empty. Still very empty. Was the Grab driver or Gojek wanted to talk with him, but no. He didn't speak English anyway. Yeah, that's how it is. Sheraton or exit from the beach walk. Yeah.
Je sais c'est quoi.
Restaurants next to me over here with Starbucks. Quite busy actually, more than I was expecting, and quite a lot of bikes on the opposite road. Yeah, but it's still still very quiet, right? We'll see the main entrance to beach walk now.
Gonna spend the rest of my life. You and me.
So the beach walk looks like it's quite busy, I have to say. However, the restaurant just next after the beach walk is completely empty, closed actually, and not much is happening actually in that area anymore. Malls always will be malls, always will be more people in the mall. However, yeah, that's how it looks like. Grand Istana Hotel, not much is happening. Here is also not much is happening, right? However, now if you wanna enter to the beach walk, you have to scan the QR code and register yourself. But I think it's in many places around the world like this, right? Well, now I'm passing the area where on this side is abandoned hotel or something. Actually, from the first time when I'm in Bali and Kuta, I bought a SIM card over here somewhere, but that was a long time ago. I don't think so this place exists anymore. However, I'm always thinking what was the place over here, and to be honest, I don't know. If you know, guys, maybe you are from Bali or anyway, you know what was there long time ago and why it's closed, comment below. I would really like to know. Thanks. Nice ride.
Okay, thank you for that.
See, here behind me is the hotel under the completely renovation. Yeah, something is happening.
Je sais c'est quoi.
Right, so the area behind me is how it is. What I can say, why it's so bright? Oh, much better now. Anyway, now I'm passing the Stones Hotel. Very nice hotel, by the way. At least I heard. I never been inside. Maybe one day, but it's totally empty. And I'm not sure if it's actually is open. You can have a day pass over here for 200k per person. Many loud bikes. As you can see, this some people still driving these things with cars. In Kuta, in Bali, that don't make sense, and of course, not everybody can accept that fact. In Gili is normal because no cars and no nothing over there. However, yeah, well, that's how it looks like. That was another spot. This place belongs to Pullman. Like I said last time, I stayed in Pullman in Adelaide, in Australia. Very nice hotel. I arrived at 7. They give me already room. Big stomach up. However, I never stayed in Pullman in Bali. I hope so one day I can stay. So you will see the review of the hotel. However, not now.
tertawa, kita tetap bersatu. Bintang membelah.
Yo, what's up?
Halo,
Bakso, bakso.
bakso. So good.
It was the bakso, street food, famous in Kuta, anyway, in the city area. And that's the another entrance to the Kuta Beach. Yo, what's up? What's up? Yeah, not much is happening in that area actually, if I have to be honest. Yeah. Alright, now finish Kuta, going to Legian. What? Pandemic is finished, yeah?
Finish.
Yeah, what's up, guys?
We already open.
Oh, very good.
Everybody, but still use for protocol healthy.
Oh yeah, that's good, that's good.
Must be healthy, cleanly, and safe.
Yeah!
It's still open for everybody.
That's good. What's that?
This is sound system.
Yeah, say something.
Yeah.
Yeah, our beach, Legian Beach, is still open for everybody and still tough with the protocol of healthy. So everyone,
That's so
let's come to Legian Beach.
Legian Beach.
Use your
It's
face
open.
mask and still cleanly to come.
That's good.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So, as you saw, I just had the small wee spoke with the, I don't know who was that actually, Pechalang army, Pechalang but wearing army outfits. However, everybody are very happy, friendly. You hear the announcement. Anyway, now I'm in the Legian Beach, heading to Azul Beach Club. I left my bike over there, gonna have some drink. You know, it's not so, it's a bit of tiring walking like this. Life is how it is, as you see. It's quiet Saturday night. You could say it's busy, but for Saturday night it's very quiet. But that's my personal thoughts. I'm very optimistic. We'll be full of people soon. Well, next year. You also have to be optimistic and realistic, not only optimistic, because, well, that's what I learned from my life. But that's on for the next topic. And yeah, we'll see how's the Azul Beach Club little bit. I will have a bean tank maybe for your cheers and healthy guys. However, Kuta is quite busy, but Legian is deadly quiet. Check this out. That's the entrance to the beach.
And we think the future is made in your mind.
Alright guys, I'm in the Azul Beach Club. As you can see, so amazing sunset. Cheers guys. Well, that's rather, I know it's not beer for some people, but cheers anyway. Okay guys, anyway, I think this will be enough for today's vlog. I showed you how's the condition situation, starting from Hard Rock in Kuta till Padma till Azul Beach Club. Beautiful sunset. as you saw, situation is like this. Thank you so much for watching. I hope so you enjoyed my video today, my vlog. New vlog is every day at 7 p.m. Bali time, so subscribe now if you doesn't yet. Like always, something new every single day. Thank you so much. Please like, share, comment, especially comment and like, and see you tomorrow, guys. See ya. Take care.